In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset the brush tool to default settings in Photoshop. If your brush suddenly feels off, maybe it's painting too light, behaving strangely, or leaving unexpected textures, it's usually because a setting was changed somewhere along the way. The quickest way to get back to a clean, predictable brush is to reset the tool to its factory defaults. This takes just a moment and doesn't delete any of your saved brushes or presets. It simply restores the tool's core options. First, look to the top of your Photoshop workspace for the options bar. This is the horizontal strip that updates depending on which tool you're using. When the brush tool is active, you'll see a small brush tool icon at the far left of this bar. That tiny icon is the key. Right-click directly on that tool icon in the options bar. If you're using a device without a right-click, a two-finger click or a control click gives you the same contextual menu. When the menu appears, choose Reset Tool. That's it. The brush tool's options immediately return to their defaults. Behind the scenes, that means the blend mode snaps back to normal, opacity and flow go to their standard values, and any odd toggles you might have switched on, like special smoothing or blend modes, are cleared. It also resets settings like the airbrush option, pressure controls in the options bar, and other per tool switches that can easily be nudged without noticing. A quick note so you know what you're seeing. In that same menu, you may also notice Reset All Tools.